Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we are going to cover placements for navbars, because at the moment we've got two navbars and they're just placed on top of each other using regular divs like so and like so. But Bootstrap provides you two easy to use classes to position it at the top and to position it at the bottom, and it fixes it there. So when you're scrolling through your website, it's constantly there. So let me give you an example of this. So if we just go to our website, so we've got this header here. You should be able to see there's a slight color difference, and when I scroll, the content goes underneath it. That's the same for our Sonar Learning website. You can see a little better on here. So when we scroll, this is fixed to the top and the content scrolls underneath it. This is very common, especially when you got buttons here. When you're logged in, it's great because you got like a little notification button, you've got a profile button, that sort of stuff. And to implement it, it's ridiculously simple. All you have to do to the class, to the nav that you want to implement it to, do nav bar dash fixed dash top, save that, and if we refresh, that's now fixed to the top. And as you can see, it's adjusted its size and style, so it's no longer got the curved corners and it is wider, aka this padding has gone. And if we want to align it to the bottom, so we're going to do it to the other one, I think you guessed by now, it's navbar dash fixed dash bottom, save that, refresh, and now you can see it's at the bottom. As of now, we can't actually scroll because we don't really have any content to scroll through, so I'm just going to put a div here. And inside here, I'm literally just going to put a bunch of random text. Doesn't matter what it is, for the purpose of showing you how it works. So I'm just going to copy and paste this a bunch of times. Copy and paste it again. Yeah, that's more than enough content. So if I refresh, we got content in between the top header and the bottom header. You can think of the bottom header almost like a footer. That's essentially what it pretty much is. But when I scroll, the content goes underneath the top header and comes out from the bottom navbar. So that is really cool, all built into Bootstrap. That's it for navbar placement. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on our education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There'll be a link in the description to that. Plus there's thousands of free videos on there, so check that out as well. There'll be another link in the description to the source code from this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Let us know what you think of this video and our channel. And as usual, thank you for watching and I hope you have an amazing day.